What's up everybody, AirMax'D here, doing something a little bit different. It's an unboxing of, well, the Air Dior. I know it's not technically an Air Max, but it's still an Air, and it's still Nike. And of course it's Dior, so let's check it out. The box is really cool. Inside there is a couple of dust bags, of course, which we're not going to pull those out. We're going to keep this thing somewhat intact. I'm going to do this in two parts. I'll show you a little bit more of the shoe in the next video. And here they are. The Air Dior Low. This is a size 12. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? I really dig them, man. I like the colors. Love the Dior branding. They did a really good job with these. I'll show you more in a bit. Welcome back. Here's part 2, where I'm going to show you a little bit more of the Air Dior up close and personal. Again, this is a size 12 low in the new Nike Air Dior. Super soft leather. The Dior branding and the swoosh. Of course, we have the Air Dior Jordan logo. We do have the Jordan logo inside the Jumpman. There is an additional insole that has Dior branding, much like the swoosh that comes with them. Dior on the bottom, the clear bottom, the icy sole. Very, very cool shoe. Let me know what you think. Hit me with some comments. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you really want to, you can share it too. The Air Dior.